Those G-Star solar panels are performing way better than I was expecting. I recently installed 4 of them on my front porch facing west. It's around 1:45 and this is what the sky look like. I noticed after the cloud clear, the PV input will momentarily increase significantly. After the solar panels are warmed up by the sun, the output will settle to the usual output. Those are 425 watt bifacial solar panel, not using the bifacial gain in this case because they are roof mounted. The highest output I saw that day was 1900 watt out of a 1700 solar array. Those solar panels become unavailable soon after I purchased them. I hope they bring it back, but I will leave link for other solar panel in the description. Considering not using the bifacial gain, those are some impressive output. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.